Hi there, this is Allison from Funtivity. Today, let's do a quick review on the Microsoft Teams App Marketplace and how you can use Teams apps to create more engaging and productive meetings. To begin, let's go ahead and open up Microsoft Teams. You can access Teams via a web browser or via the client installed on your computer, and you can access the Apps Marketplace in either platform. To do so, just open up Teams and navigate to the Apps button at the bottom of the menu on your left-hand side. When you open up the Apps button, you can browse by different categories or search for a specific keyword. Once you see an app that you're interested, go ahead and click to open the app's profile. If you'd like to launch an app you have not installed before, you'll see a button that says Add, and you'll need to add that to your Teams account first before you can begin to use it. Once you've added it the first time, it will always exist here within these three dots where you can access all of your already added apps. I've already added Funtivity, so I'm going to launch that here. Just click on the app and it will bring you to the main menu. You can browse Funtivity and different features such as custom content, tournaments, and event agendas from within the main Teams client. However, if you'd like to play an activity with a team, you'll need to open the app during a live Teams meeting. Let's walk through that now. Now, please remember this important note. If you'd like to host an activity during a Teams meeting with others, you'll need to launch it from a Teams meeting using the Microsoft Teams client installed on your computer. So I've opened up Teams on my computer, not in the web browser, and here I have an apps button in my top toolbar. If you don't see this apps button, it may be for two reasons. One, you may be opening Teams on your browser or on a mobile device or somewhere that's not the client installed on your computer. Or two, you may have this button disabled by your company's tech or IT team. If that's the case, whoever is the administrator for your Microsoft account will need to enable permissions for you to be able to open apps during your meetings. If you do have that button available, you can just click on Apps, and from here you can open Funtivity. Just click on the app that you want to launch. Hit save, and then this will open up Funtivity on the right-hand side of your meeting. Now, Microsoft Teams is a little bit restricted in how we can adjust screen size, so you won't be able to expand or contract the menu here. But when you do start playing an activity, your game will actually take place in the center screen or center stage of your Teams meeting. So I'll show you what that looks like when you start the activity. I'm going to go ahead and select any game. I'm going to hit play now. And you'll see that Funtivity has now moved to the center stage of my screen. When the app is open on the right-hand panel, only you can see whatever you have open in that panel. When the app has moved to your center stage, this is essentially like a screen share, meaning that everyone else in the app can see what's going on in this center stage. I can now select an activity that I'd like to play and hit start. Anyone else in my Teams meeting can also join and participate in this game by clicking on Join with a pop-up that will appear on the center of their screen as well. Once you're all done playing your activity, you'll need to click on the red Stop Sharing button to remove the Funtivity app from the center of your Teams meeting. If you're done playing and you want to just close out the app completely, go ahead and hit on the X here to close your session.